tying your shoes can help prevent injuries. Here are 3 ways to tie your shoes and stretch at the same time to improve your hip, knee, and ankle mobility. The first one is the deep squat. So this will actually help improve your ankle flexibility by putting more weight on your heel, and it will help improve your hip flexibility so you can come down into that squat. The second one is the split stance. So we're just going to pop our foot up on a bench, come and lunge forward. This is going to help our hip flexibility here as well as at the back. So we're going to just pop our shoe on. The third one is going to improve our stability around our hip, knee, and ankle joints. So we're going to stand on one leg and pop our foot up in the air while we do it. You see me wobbling around here, gaining all those extra muscles. If you found this helpful, please like and share with your friends. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I'll see you on the next one.